Hi and welcome to Bytes and Bits. Modding your Wii U opens you up to the whole world of Homebrew, so not only can you play all your Wii U, Wii and GameCube games from legally obtained backup files, but you can also install and run Homebrew applications that expand the features of your console way beyond what it was designed for. Now, if you haven't yet modded your Wii U, I do highly recommend that you do. It's easy to do and will breathe a fresh lease of life back into your old console. So do check out my modding tutorial. In this one I use ModMe, and again I'll link to this in the description. But you'll find finding and installing these Homebrew applications can be a bit tedious, having to use your computer to download the files to your SD card and then porting them over to your console. But there is an easier way with the Homebrew App Store. So let's install this and see what it has for us. So the Store app needs to be installed like any other application. So we first need to use our computer to visit the main website at this web address here. So if you have a look, the installation files that we need are found on the About page link in the top right of this page. So scroll down to the How It Works section and then click on the link for the native Homebrew App Store, and this will then take you to this GitHub repository. So this main page, it does contain some information about the app, but we need to head over to the Releases section to get the files that we need. So on this page, just scroll down to the Assets section, and then we want to download the Wii U Extract to SD zip file. So save that somewhere on your computer. We can now go to that area, and once that file has downloaded, we can then extract the zip files out of the archive. Now you should get a set of files and folders that looks like this. So we now need to take the Wii U SD card out of the console and pop that into our computer. Once that's in there, we just simply need to copy everything over from our extracted folder into the root of our SD card. So this is going to basically place the App Store files into an App Store folder inside the Wii U apps directory, and that then will make it ready for installation so that we can use it on our console. So once all the files have been copied over, just eject your SD card and then head back across to your Wii U. So making sure you put your SD card back in, power on the console. And once that boots up through to your Wii U menu, you should now see the Homebrew App Store icon on your tablet. Again, if you don't get it on the front page, then it may well be placed at the end on one of the other pages, so just move across until you find that. So to open up the app, just select it, and you'll see the store open up, and you should be able to see the applications that are available. So as you look through, any app that you like the look of, you can simply select it, and that will take you to a page with more details about it. So on this details page, you'll also find the download link, and if you click that, it will instantly download the application from the Homebrew Store and put it directly onto your SD card. So this means that you no longer have to worry about having to get a computer, taking the SD card out, saving the files, moving it back again. Just everything is handled directly for you right here on your console. You'll also find that if you have already installed an app, but there's a new version has been released, when you go to this details page, you'll see an update button or a remove or uninstall button. So it will simply either update your files or remove that application directly on your SD card. So this will also work for any applications that you've already installed manually. They will all be updated for you. So do have a good look around in here. So you'll find a whole range of games, system tools. The RetroArch emulator is available on here so that you can emulate some retro consoles. And you'll also find most of the Aroma plugins all ready for you to install at the click of a button. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have a modded Wii U, I do highly recommend installing this application. So don't forget to check out my Wii U playlist for more modding and setup videos for your Wii U. Also make sure to click that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wii U content, gaming, modding and electronics projects. I look forward to seeing you again very soon, and bye for now. For more games programming, electronics projects and retro gaming, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website.